Remember when robots were pure science fiction? Crazy, right? Now they're everywhere. And I got to go inside a real-life robot factory. It's like peeking behind the curtain of the future. Walking into this place, you're hit with the sounds of industry. Clanging, whirring, the hum of machinery. But it's not your grandpa's factory. This place is clean, it's high-tech, it's exciting. So how do you actually build a robot from scratch? It starts with the brains, the circuit boards. These intricate little cities of wires and chips are the robot's nervous system. They get assembled and tested over and over for absolute precision. Next up, the muscles and motors and actuators. These provide the power and movement. Seeing them come together piece by piece is like watching a robotic skeleton take shape. Then comes the really cool part, attaching the tools and sensors. This is where the robot gets its specific skills: welding, painting, even delicate surgery. Finally, the finished robot undergoes rigorous testing. We're talking obstacle courses, strength tests, the works. It's like robot boot camp. Each sensor and camera is calibrated to perfection, ensuring the robot can see and interact with its environment accurately. In the end, these robots are ready to take on a variety of tasks, from simple repetitive actions to complex interactions with humans. Once they pass all tests, they are packaged and shipped to their final destinations, ready to revolutionize industries and improve lives. This isn't your dad's assembly line. Gone are the days of manual labor and repetitive tasks. This factory is packed with cutting-edge tech. From the moment you step inside, you can feel the hum of innovation. Robotic arms, guided by lasers, place components with incredible accuracy. These machines work tirelessly, ensuring every piece is perfectly positioned. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, zoom around like worker bees, delivering parts and materials exactly where they're needed. They navigate the factory floor with ease, avoiding obstacles and optimizing efficiency. And everywhere you look, screens display real-time data, monitoring every step of the process. This constant flow of information helps in making quick decisions and maintaining quality control. What struck me was the marriage of human ingenuity and machine precision. Humans and robots working side by side, each complementing the other's strengths. It's like these tools extend our own capabilities, allowing us to build better, faster, stronger. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Now, you might think a robot factory would be full of, well, robots, and you'd be right partly, but there's more to the story. While robots do a lot of the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, they aren't working alone. There are people here too, working side by side with these machines. Skilled engineers program the machines, technicians keep them humming, and quality control experts ensure every robot meets the highest standards. These engineers and technicians are crucial as they bring their expertise to the table, making sure everything runs smoothly. Quality control experts meticulously inspect each robot, ensuring they meet the highest standards. The coolest thing, the people here aren't just building robots, they're working alongside them, creating a seamless blend of human ingenuity and robotic precision. It's this collaboration between human minds and robotic precision that makes this whole operation so incredible. This isn't about robots replacing us, it's about robots augmenting our capabilities, allowing us to achieve things we never thought possible. Together, humans and robots are building the future, one innovation at a time. It's about creating a world where technology and humanity coexist, enhancing each other's strengths. This partnership is paving the way for a new era of manufacturing and beyond. It's about building the future together.